Hello, my name is Frankie Montoya. I started coming doctor, I think, almost less than a year ago, and it's changed so many things in my life that I didn't even think were an issue until I started coming here. I came in for the tinglings in my hands. My arms were getting numb. I work at a desk all day, so I've been hunched over. My neck was just crimped all the time. I would get really bad migraines to the point where I would be out for a full day, or I would have to go to the ER and get an injection, and that would take me out for 18 plus hours. And it's just been getting thrown medication preventatives for my migraine. Oh, here, take this will help you. Or take this when you feel something coming on. And I was at the point getting so many drugs thrown at me, I just was taking so many. I was like, I don't even think this is working. So I stopped and then I came here and holy moly, my fingers are no longer tingly. I can function when I have a migraine. They're less frequent. I would go during the wintertime, minimum 4 or 5 a month. Now I'm once every 2 or 3 months. And even when they do happen, they're at a low roar. I can function. I don't need constant ibuprofen, Tylenol, extra strength Excedrin. I don't have to worry about, oh, if I get a migraine, I won't be able to do it. I wake up and I'm fine. Do my stretches, my routine, and it's helped my sleeping, my back so much. It's, I haven't been able to gone more than a couple months without a migraine, and so this has been amazing. It's been awesome. I would definitely recommend come as frequently as you can. Tell as much people as you can. I tell my friends, my family. I mean, I was so tired of just drugs being thrown at me, and I was over it until I found here, and holy moly, I could sleep through the night. I could wake up without pain. I could work without pain. It's been a night and day difference. Definitely come for sure.